beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious lemonade. Creamy and perfect for hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this creamy, refreshing lemonade. These are the ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, evaporated milk, water, and of course, the bright yellow lemons. Yes, refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Perfect for this hot weather. So let's get started. I am going to start by making my simple syrup. I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. I'm going to take it to the stove. I'm going to cook it until the sugar has dissolved and the water turns a little bit yellow. When this is done, I'm going to take it off the stove, let it sit to room temperature, and it'll be ready to use. Of course, here I have my bright yellow lemons from my garden, and I'm gonna get all the juice inside with this little gadget. This little gadget, I got it at Walmart, and believe me, you don't leave any juice behind. Well, I'm gonna get all this juice out. My mouth is already watering. These lemons have a lot of juice. Remember to remove the seeds. And here I am ready to start making this creamy lemon agua fresca. Look at this. I'm adding my simple syrup, my pinch of salt, my heavy whipping cream. Remember that the salt is going to lower the acidity of the lemon. And here I'm just scraping off all the heavy whipping cream. I'm going to continue by adding the evaporated milk, the condensed milk, and I'm really going to incorporate all these milk together. You want to make sure that the texture is nice and creamy before you add the lemon juice. If you make it just the way I'm making it, it's not gonna pull apart the water, the lemon, or none of that. Your water is gonna be totally good for a couple days, really creamy and delicious. I'm making 2 quarts of water of this amazing lemonade. Look at this. Once everything is nice and incorporated, I'm going to show you the texture. Remember to incorporate the milks really good, especially the condensed milk. You want the condensed milk to really incorporate with the rest of the ingredients. Once this is done, you're ready to pour in your lemon juice. Once you start mixing, you're going to notice that it's going to get nice and thick and creamy. You could already feel it. Now you're ready to add your water. Look at this. Look how thick and creamy it gets. The aroma of the lemon so penetrated. Believe me, this creamy lemonade, it comes out delicious and refreshing, especially in this hot weather. Once you make it, you're really going to fall in love. On my channel, you have so many lemonades for you to enjoy for this summer. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Look at this. Perfect to refresh yourself and your family. And of course, you have control of how much sugar your family is intaking when you make your simple syrup. I am ready to enjoy. I have a glass full of ice, and of course, I am going to slice some lemon slices just like that so I could decorate my glass when I pour in this creamy, delicious lemonade into the glass. It's going to look amazing. I'm sure you're going to love it.
Remember to remove all the seeds from your lemons. This part is very important. You need to remove all the seeds, everything, and then ready to enjoy a delicious homemade creamy lemonade. I hope you enjoy it with your beautiful family and you refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing creamy lemonade. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Amazing. So creamy and delicious that I know you guys are going to love. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious and refreshing lemonade. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.